What up, YouTube? Welcome to Hustle Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a basic curve. I'm going to be showing you guys my daily hustle. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up. Please ask any comments below. And definitely, most importantly, make sure you sub up. I post daily content and try to help you guys out make money online and in person. Let's get it. Enjoy the video. If you are someone who would be interested in curb painting and starting your own personal curb painting business, I'll drop a link below to my online master course where I show you from start to finish how to start your online curb painting business. If you're still watching this video, I want you to understand that this video and this channel is dedicated to helping each and every one of you rise to your potential, quit your 9-to-5 eventually, and start working on you 24/7. I personally do not believe in working for others. This is why I came up with this side hustle, and that's why I'm dedicated to showing you guys, teenagers, adults, men, women, that there is a way out. Okay, a lot of people don't know about curb painting. I try to bring this this side hustle, possibly main hustle, to the internet, to you guys, to show you guys that there is a way out. Now, this is not everyone's cup of tea, but for the ones who are super interested in starting your own personal curb painting business, again, you know what to do. Okay, click that link, and then of course sub up to the channel. I want to help you out the best I can, and by subbing up, because I post daily videos, I'm going to help you on a daily basis. Okay, now I want you guys to understand that anything worth it is not easy, and I show you guys shortcuts and tips and tricks all in my online master course. So definitely check it out. Even on my lives and my regular videos that I post for free, I'm showing you guys how I do things, right? And I do things based off of all my fuck ups and mess ups and all that good stuff in the past, right? And so if you can understand that, then this video and this channel is 100% for you. All right, again, I say it a lot and I mean it. I got a lot of things planned for this channel. I try to post as much as possible, but some days I'll be hustling and I'll be working. You feel me? And so if you guys understand that, then hey, we good. We're gonna make that money all summer, all fall, all winter, all year long. Okay, we're talking about money, making money online and making money in person. Okay, so if you're watching this video, definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I try to do Q&As on all my videos. Okay, so if you got questions, drop your questions. I haven't been going live recently a lot because I want to focus more on my videos. I want to give you guys the best quality content I can, and I think the best way to do that is long form content. Okay, long form content. You guys eat that up, and when I mean you guys, I mean everybody. Everybody loves long form content because they can either listen to it or they can just watch it. You know what I'm saying? Depending on if they're at work or not. But yeah, that's the future right there. YouTube long form content is the future. If you guys are interested in how I run my YouTube channel, check out vidIQ. I'll post that link below as well. vidIQ can be used for anybody. Okay, it can be used for anybody's channel. vidIQ is how I come up with all my titles, all my descriptions, all my tags, all my topics, right? And without vidIQ, I would probably be behind, like a lot. And if you're someone who's new to YouTube, or you're new to creating content and you don't really know exactly what to do, vidIQ is for you. vidIQ is going to help you really get that jump start that you need. Okay, a lot of people don't start when they're supposed to, and they get left behind. Okay, if you want to flip that around, check out vidIQ. Check out my online master course, and I catch you on the next one. Peace.